Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. I'm very excited to have you here because in this video I will share how you can make $100 per hour to $200 per hour for downloading free images and free designs from websites that I will share with you in this video and upload them in another website that has over 25 million monthly visitors, and most of the traffic are buyer traffic. They are ready to buy from you, and you don't need additional traffic, you don't need website, you don't need experience, and you don't need technical knowledge. Stick to the end of the video. I will share with you step by step how to use this website. And also, as usual, it will come with my premium softwares 100% free that will help you make money faster and easier. Links will be in the description. You can go there later. Right now, let's move forward and show you how to use this website and start making money. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Don't forget to use the share button and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts. This way you help them make money as well. So go ahead, use all these awesome options, and once you're done, let's start. We are on zazzle.com. zazzle.com. What I first do, number one, I check the traffic of these kind of websites. So we are on similarweb.com, searched for the traffic analytics of zazzle.com, and amazing, they have 25.7 million monthly visitors. This is amazing, and they have a growing traffic, which means they're extremely trustworthy and a lot of people visit them on regular basis. Now look at their top audience interests: Etsy.com, Redbubble.com, Vistaprint, Cafe Press, tpublic.com, which means they are kind of print on demand company. And look at their approximate revenue, $200 million to $1 billion. Now, what I like the most about these websites or this kind of website is that they have built-in traffic that you can take advantage of. So you don't need to send additional traffic to make sales. This is amazing. So now let's go deeper into details of their traffic. 31% of all this traffic are direct traffic. These people know about this website, they regularly use this website, and they come back to this website because they make money out of it, right? Or they keep buying from here. So there are buyers and there are sellers. But a lot of people come back to this website over and over again, which is awesome. Another thing I like about this website is that they have a lot of Pinterest and Facebook traffic. 65% of their social traffic comes from Pinterest and 11% traffic comes from Facebook. This is amazing because link in the description will give you my premium softwares free that will create blogs completely automatically without you writing a single word. And not only that, will drive traffic to any website you want from Pinterest and Facebook completely automatically. Go take the software, it's completely free. Bonus, there is a bonus, this works with any website, not only Zazzle. So let's get back to Zazzle. 60% of their traffic come from Google or search engines. This is amazing because we know which keywords people search and find this website, which means we know which products on this website are hot. Number one, Christmas cards. Number two, custom mugs. And number three, business cards. This is great, right? We can do the same analysis using Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is freemium, so you can have a free account. I have a paid account, it's really cheap. Google ubersuggest.com and you will get into this website. Go to traffic and click traffic overview and copy and paste zazzle.com URL, hit enter, and you will find all their traffic details. There are 5 million organic keywords that they get all this traffic from, and you can actually get to see all their keywords here. Wow! Which means we know, according to search volume, which products are hot, which products people search on the internet and get to this website and buy. Why this is important? Because now we can create these products and sell on zazzle.com completely free. There is another way I use. If there is a trending section or from anyhow that are featured or hot offers, in this website zazzle.com they have a section called trending. Click on this trending and they will show you their top or hottest products that we can take ideas from. Example, mugs. So I came to the mug section and look at what we found. This mug has got 4.8 rating from 12,174 reviewers. Now, if we consider 5% people came back and left a review or rating, then the total number of sales times the price of the mug, $15.8, is 3.8 million US dollars. So 3.8 million US dollars were generated by selling this simple mug. Another type of trending product is Valentine's Day invitations, Super Bowl party invitations, wedding invitations, baby shower invitations. Now, Valentine's Day invitations will not come every day of the year. It will only be hot at the beginning of the year. But Super Bowl, not really Super Bowl, but wedding invitations, baby shower invitations are kind of evergreen. Now I'm on the baby shower invitation section and look at this. These are the popular baby shower invitations. I click on the top one and I found this one. There is a tree, there is Pooh, there is a tiger, and there is a donkey. Cartoon figures, a little text. I'm simply analyzing the image for you. This is it. Now again, 41,666 reviewers left a 4.9 star review. 41,666 times 20, considering 5% people left a rating, times 2.86. This little baby shower invitation card generated 2.3 million US dollars. Wow. So how can you make money? Pretty simple. Click sell on Zazzle. You will be taken to this page and you will learn everything from this simple and step-by-step informative page. So do what you love, become a Zazzle creator today by monetizing your content or creative services and create passive income opportunities. Make a memory, make an impact, make someone laugh, make with Adobe Photoshop. There is a 15% discount on Adobe Creative Cloud exclusively for Zazzle creators. This is great. There are testimonials. You can connect with other creators, connect with other creatives. You can create your design, and once your design is sold, you make money. In order to sell on Zazzle, click this button, Sell on Zazzle. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to continue with Google, or you can use the email address and password and sign in, or click register and use your email address and create password and create new account. I just signed up using one of my email addresses. Now I can open a Zazzle store. These are the benefits and these are the requirements. And the requirement is to open a Zazzle store, you need a valid email address. Probably everybody has one. Do you have one? I'm sure you have. Click continue and they have sent me an email. Let's see. Oh yes, I just received an email. So I have to click validate email address. And now my email address is verified. Click OK to continue. Now I'm going to enter a store name. So my store name would be Winner's Store, and I am not a robot. Oh, there has to be no space between the words. I'm not a robot, and create store. So now my store is created. I can add a tagline, I can add about section, and I will add a store banner image. If I have a website, I will add a website. This is highly recommended because this way you can get a lot of traffic to your website. Location information, select your country and click submit. To receive your payment, go to the settings section, click my account, click the earnings section and click on the payment settings. Here you have to update your PayPal account, or if you want to get paid via check, then you should request a payment via check using this button. This is the payee information that you have to fill in: tax information, legal name, social security number if you are an US citizen, and when you are done, click save. Once your profile is completed, now you can start selling on Zazzle. For that, click sell and you can choose any of these to design on. Let's say you choose this one. select the size or format. You want to add image, you can add image. You want to add text, you can use this button. Now we are here in the editor. Click element to add any element you want. You can resize it. If you want to add any icons, select the icon section and click flowers, or any icon you want to add. You can resize it, rotate it, drag and drop anywhere you want, change colors, and do all these editings. If you want to add more images, you can use pixabay.com. All these images are free. Download here and upload in the editor using My Files, upload images. You want to take ideas? Go to Canva, create a free account. If you want design inspiration, go to Canva, create a free account, and go to the template section for design ideas. You can even use these designs directly, download them, and upload them on your Zazzle editor. Create your design and click done once you are done. Add it to your store, and when Zazzle traffic buys from you, you make money. There is another awesome way to make money from Zazzle, and that's called referral. In my opinion, this is the most passive way to make money. But the limitation is you get $25 gift cards for every referral. You get $25 of coupon code to use on Zazzle once your friend's order ships. That's what happens. That's how Zazzle referral works. But the amount of buyer traffic they have is pretty awesome. And the fact that we know what these traffic are looking for ensures that we can make money using Zazzle. Now, if you are absolutely not a design guy and you have no idea how design thing works, number one, you can use Canva and take design ideas or edit these templates, upload on Zazzle and sell on Zazzle. Or you can use any freelancers to create designs for you and sell on Zazzle. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you can make money easily using awesome platforms like zazzle.com. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you first when we will upload our next video. Don't forget to use the share button and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts. And we will see you in the next money making video.